breath. Rotate and stretch. Stretch. One muscle. Am I stretching out?
하반에는 손이 편해요. 등이 편해요.
Again? Suboccipitals. Suboccipitals. All the way up to the mastoid process. And mastoid process. Traction. And then each side, muscle. Sanjiao 17, SI 17, and mastoid process. 3 bar, alongside the SCM muscle, and NAFA. Keep this. NAFA, SCM muscles. But I don't do anything at the stomach line. I just NAFA above the stomach line. And then what I'm doing here, I am AMPA and TRIFA, present, the spreading alongside the transverse process of the C-spine. What I am massaging, what muscle I am massaging on, all the way to the first rib. SCM is here. I am pressing and spreading the transverse process of the C-spine. Scaling muscle. Scaling muscle. Scale. There are 3 types of thoracic outlet syndrome. Thoracic outlet syndrome. 3 types of thoracic outlet syndrome. Scaling type, subclavicular type, subpectoral type. That's why I massage the scaling. GB21. LI16, supraspinatus. LI15. And I usually go on the facial point. All the muscles and points are for the massage the stress point. The mastication muscles, and the temporal muscles, and the upper flank, suboccipitals. All these points are stress points, stress releasing points. Stomach 6, 7, GB3, the 3 ear point, 21, 19, 2. 21, 19, 2. 21, Sanjiao. 19, small intestine 2, GB. And GB3, Come on, A. And GB24 by 224. And 220. All the way. All the UE channels. Speed up, speed up. Pin and stretch. Pin and pin and stretch. Pin and stretch. Pin and stretch. You can use every hand technique according to each acupuncture point. You have to, you don't need to memorize all my routines. You have to make your own style to each point. I just want to explain the points are targeting which muscles and why. Actually, there are a lot of extra points on your neck, posterior neck, like bilateral, penguin, bilateral is splenius capitis, and 216 is cortical, insertion point of trapezius. And then what else? PV1 is the upper tract, and small intestine 12 is a supraspinatus. Large intestine 16 is the insertion tendon of the supraspinatus. Small intestine 13 is the origin of the supraspinatus. Small intestine 11 is the infraspinatus triopoint. UB9, UB10 is also supraspinatus, suboccipitals. The same level with blood 10. How do you think? What is the target of the GB20? Trapezius of the splenius surfaces. Splenius muscle and trapezius. Trapezius muscle superficial. Underneath of the trapezius, the splenius muscle. The deepest muscle is the rotators. RSP minor, RSP major. In the neck, scalene muscles, and the SCM muscles. The stress point on your face, the stomach channels, and the temples, the GB channel as point, and the stomach channel. Sometimes you can play a massage. Allergy, this is the allergy season. What point do you think is good for the allergy? What point? Dome, UB20, LI20, LI19. Good. The frontal line of the front line is good for the five sensory organs of your face.